Hi guys, today I'd like to tell you about a new Azure service called Azure App Configuration. This service is intended to help developers manage their application and feature settings. It was announced in April 2019 and still in public preview mode. However, the documentation, samples and APIs are already available for use. So why use Azure App Configuration? Usually, creating scalable and robust cloud-based applications is not an easy task, especially considering that applications often run on multiple virtual machines or even in multiple regions. And one of the well-proven practices in this case is to separate configuration from code. And that's what App Configuration does best. Centrally manages application settings. Let me show you how it works. First of all, we need to create an instance of Azure App Configuration. To do that, we open a resource group, click Add, type App Configuration, click here, then we click Create, and fill out the fields. Let it be my app configuration. That's fine, and click Create. After the deployment is finished, we can navigate to the service. Now it's time to realize what data of our application we'd like to store and manage. So let's add some key value. I'll add a message with the key My App, Settings, Message, and the value Hello from App Configuration. I leave label and content type fields empty now. Once it's saved, we can see the added key value pair. One point I'd like to mention here is that even though App Configuration offers complete data encryptions and encrypts all key values it holds and network communication, you should not store secrets here. Azure Key Vault is still the best place for storing application secrets. Anyway, let's go back to our application. I have created a new ASP.NET Core application, and now it's time to connect to our App Configuration instance. In order to do that, we need to add a reference to a NuGet package microsoft.azure.appconfiguration.asp.NET Core. We click Install, Accept, and it's added. Now we need to update the Create Web Host Builder method. Here we add Configure App Configuration, we initialize settings and then call config.add-Azure-App-Configuration and pass a connection string to our configuration service. Now it's time to declare this connection string in our local app settings file. So we open our service, go to Access Keys, copy the secondary connection string, open app settings file and paste it here. And the last but not least is to inject iConfiguration dependency into our controller and obtain the configuration value that we have recently added. Once it's done, we can start the application and ensure that everything works. The returned message was successfully obtained from our App Configuration service. Even though the service is useful in various number of use cases, I believe microservices, serverless applications, and CI/CD pipelines will benefit the most. Just to summarize, let's take a look what does App Configuration actually offer. A fully managed service that can be set up in minutes, flexible key representations and mappings, tagging with labels, point-in-time replay of settings, dedicated UI for future flag management, integration with Azure Managed Identities, complete data encryptions, integration with popular frameworks. I'm hoping you will agree with me that all of these features right out of the box, that's really cool. If you like this video, please like on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and come back for more great videos to help you know more about Azure.